Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing today. I had a couple packages that had shown up. Actually, I had quite a few packages that showed up, and I already opened one of them, and I will show you guys what it is. And I'm so excited. I have heard you guys begging me to get some augers, and so that's what showed up today, is boxes full of augers, and I cannot wait to try them out. So I have a new drill, some augers, and then I also had some plants that showed up. So these are all from Power Planter, and they did give me a coupon code for you guys, which was really great. I was like, hey, since I'm going to share these, you guys want to offer a coupon code. So I'm going to pop what the coupon code is. It's only going to last 1 week's time. So if you guys are interested in getting a Power Planter, I'm going to say use the coupon code. So let's get into it. I have boxes to go through. One of these is a drill. I don't exactly know which one, but I'm really excited about this. So I have one auger. It's not the best auger in the world. It's just it was kind of a cheap one. And then I also have one Power Planter auger. I bought the smallest one that they offered, and it was perfect for planting my bulbs. Oh my gosh, this is packaged a little too well. So I have one auger from Power Planter, and it is their smallest auger that they offer. And it was perfect for doing bulbs and things like that. You just kind of like hold it right to the ground. It's about this tall, and it was great. But I decided I have a bunch of bulbs coming that I haven't told you guys about, and I needed better options. I also have all of those plants that you guys have seen. So Power Planter has sent to me all of this, full disclosure. So they sent me a battery, so I have an extra battery, and they also sent me a new drill. So I am so excited about this. This is the one that you need if you're going to be doing big, huge holes in the ground. So we should be set to go now. So I got the big drill and extra battery, so I can just plant and plant and plant. These are sold on the Power Planter website, but the coupon doesn't work for the DeWalt tools. It just works on the augers, minus the ice auger, I believe is what it is. This one box is 2 augers. Oh, this thing is huge. Okay, let's start with the big one. So this is the biggest auger that they have, that they offer. This thing is absolutely massive. This is 9-inch auger, so it's diameter, and then it's 28 inches tall. So I should be able to stand up and drill my holes. If I can figure out how to open this box. This is so huge. Holy cow. Look at that. This thing is huge. Oh my god, that's gonna make it so nice. And so it has this bit that pre-drills the hole, and then this goes in and it digs your entire hole. This is a big daddy of drills. And so one thing that I always talk about with augers, because like I said, I have a super cheap one that has been destroyed. So this right here is called a hex head. And so if you're gonna get any auger, or any Power Planter auger, you want to make sure you get something that has the hex head on it, so that way your drill doesn't slip on it. I bought one time that had a round head on it, and it was completely useless. I ended up just throwing the entire thing away. I used it one time, and it just kept spinning. So always look for the hex head, and Power Planter always has the hex head. This is huge. This is the next size. This is the 7-inch by 28-inch auger right here. So we kind of are going to have the entire lineup of augers now, which will be so nice because we are doing so much planting. You guys know we're doing the rework on the backyard. This is going to make it so that I can plant and not have to worry about any can size. Okay, I just hit you. I'm so sorry. This is going to make it so I don't have to worry about what can size it is. So this is the bigger, or this is the smaller auger than that. So I should be able to do 1 gallon. I should be able to do larger than 1 gallon. And then I also have perfect ones for bulbs. Let me show you guys those. This is the 5-inch by 28-inch one. And I think I'm mostly going to end up using this auger and the next one that I'm going to show you. So I've got 4 augers here. So I think this is probably going to be the one that I reach for the most. It's a really, really good size, and I think that this is going to make everything easy. And I love that it has this tip here, so it pre-drills into that, and then it goes into this. These are supposed to be really good if you have clay soil or if you have like slightly rocky soil. We kind of are really lucky here, and we have the best, like softest brown dirt here where I'm at. So I'm very, very lucky about that. But I still don't enjoy digging holes. I have my little shovel that I love because sometimes it's hard to get into tight spaces. This is going to help with that a lot. I'm very excited about this one. And then this one is probably the one that I am the most excited for. This is going to be the one that I'm going to get to use for all of my bulbs and my little like tiny containers. So this is the one that's going to make it so bulb planting is so easy this year. I am so excited about this one. So it's very, very long. But I can just dig my little holes and I can pop one bulb in the ground and I'll be able to stand up and do this one. The other one I was having to be on my hands and knees and digging the holes, which kind of hurt the back. So this one I'll be able to stand up, do all of my holes, go around the property, and then I can come back and I can throw my fertilizer and everything else in there. So we're going to use one of these today and get some things planted. Let me show you guys the other box that also came in today. Before we do that, in the DeWalt bag right here comes your drill. This is the largest drill that I have ever seen in my entire life. So you get a huge drill. You get your handle so that way you can hold it so you don't lose grip of your drill. You get your battery and you get the charger right here. And I think it also comes with an extra piece. A piece. Oh, this is the key to tighten it. This is how you tighten that part. This thing is so powerful. This is gonna be so cool. So, comes with this handle that attaches onto here. And like I said, I'm gonna link to the Power Planter website where you can get this drill right here, this whole kit, and you can get any of these power planters. And make sure you use that coupon code. It doesn't work on the drill, but this, so I have a small Ryobi that would not handle any of those, but with my small Ryobi, it does have a handle also on it to make it so you don't lose control. Otherwise, you have to hold this with one hand and your wrist will like snap. So this makes it so you have double like strength on it, and that way when it's in the ground, it doesn't just absolutely destroy you. Holy cow. So let me show you guys the other box. Let's go check that out because that is plants and that is equally as exciting. So I ended up getting a whole bunch of plants from my friend Heidi. Not this tall one, but all of these ones right here from my friend Heidi over at Garden Crossing. And I really wanted to show you guys these. So she just sent these out to me. She owns Garden Crossing and she's over on YouTube. I'm gonna link her down below and her website. But she sent out some lavender. This is called Super Blue. And it smells so good. It's all cut back now. And so it's ready to get it put in the ground and give us another flush. And then she also sent out right here, this is, wait, what is this? This is Nepeta called Junior Walker. And I just got a couple Nepetas in the ground, so I'm really excited about this. This is by Darwin. Did you guys see that? This is by Darwin. That was a hummingbird. It was, I don't know, checking me out, but it hit my back. That was so crazy. Anyways, Nepeta, I'm really excited about this. I think that what I'm gonna plant first though is this Salvia, because I love Salvia. I'm really enjoying it. This is called Blue by You, and I'm so excited about this Salvia. I gotta look up all of these specs because it just tells me the name of it, but it does have a little QR code that I should be able to scan. So I'm really excited about this. So I've got 3 of these, and so this is what we're gonna plant today. I mean, like, they look so good. Isn't that great? So yeah, let's go find places for these to go. And zones 5 through 9, and they get about 2 feet tall and wide at maturity. So this is a really, really good size salvia. And salvia have become one of my favorites because hummingbirds absolutely love them. So that's why this one needs to be first to go in the ground. So over in this area right here, I just planted some Nepeta. I just planted these 5 right here. This is the cat's pajama. And I was thinking, what if right behind it, I planted those salvia? I think that that would be perfect for that area. Just give it, you know, even more color. Actually, I'll probably do like 1, 2, 3, kind of like a small little grouping of them. Maybe I'll do, I don't know, this area is where I think that they will be the happiest and look the best. This is full sun until right about now-ish, which is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So actually, you know what? We're gonna pull this plant out right here. This is such a sad looking plant, and every year it does this. Look at the leaves, they're just kind of droopy and sad. We're gonna pull this plant out and we're gonna plant in its place. So I'm not even sure what the plant is, but it's not even a good color, and so it's not happy. So I'm thinking if I get these 3 planted right back there, that'll give me a little bit of height right here, and it'll be perfect, and it'll be a good pop of color, where this thing just looks drab. So let's pull it out. Those are going to be so good right there. So I've got 1, 2, 3 tucked in, and that should fill in right behind this plant, which I think I'm going to pull out this year and maybe go in with like an actual bubble gum. This is the silverberry, and I'll just go in with 1 single bubble gum, get the pink effect, have it be more impactful. Anyways, that's going to be super gorgeous, that little trio. I did run a little extra irrigation, so I just kind of tapped in and ran a line over because that one was kind of far away. I've got a line there and a line there, and it was too far in the middle, so it should be happy now. But oh my gosh, using the auger, I was about to go in there with a shovel. So that helped. I'm glad that that showed up today. I'm so hot. It is 94 degrees right now. So I'm gonna go inside because it's a little toasty out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you check out Power Planter. Use the coupon code. It's only available for 1 week only. I'm gonna put the dates up on the screen and the code one more time. And a huge thank you to Heidi. I will also link her website where you can buy garden plants and they'll just show up to your door. They actually showed up the best that I've ever had any plant show up. She was telling me that she was a little nervous about sending them out because of this heat wave that we were randomly having, and they actually did it beautifully. So thank you again to Heidi, thank you to Power Planter, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys. It's the end of the day and it's cooled down quite a bit, so we're gonna get one more plant in the ground actually. So this right here is called Salvia, and this is Salvia Peaches Beige Peaches, and I loved the color of that. We just picked this up a couple days ago at the plant barn, and I just love the color of it. It's a full sun lover, zone 7 through 10, and it's gonna get a couple feet tall and wide. I think it's like 2.5 to 3 feet tall and wide. And I need things that get taller and bigger in the long bed, and it's full sun. So we're gonna plant it over by the apple espalier, this bed right here. I think I have the perfect spot for it, which is going to be right there, like that. And that will fill that kind of area in, and I should be able to plant kind of underneath it and maybe a little bit behind it also. I might push it back just a little tiny bit further that way into that little corner. And I think that that's going to be very happy there. And if you guys hear anything in the background, it's because the high school is just a couple blocks over from us, and we can hear there must be a game or something happening tonight. But I wanted to get one more plant in the ground just because planting with this auger made it so easy. I realized once I came inside, I was like, wait, that took like seconds to dig that hole. So one more, why not? Well, that's going to make planting be extremely easy and so much faster from now on. I will still be using my shovel because it's my absolute favorite to get into, I don't know, different beds. But, I mean, I was able to dig right there and not make a mess at all. But I love the salvia. Salvia is a great plant to add to your garden if you're wanting to attract hummingbirds. The lighting is totally disappearing, so it's getting a little grainy now. But isn't that such a gorgeous peachy color? So we have multiple salvia on the property, and I think that the one that's right there is going to make a great addition. I have some white ones and some purple ones, and we used to have one that was a red one, and so I'm really excited to add this peachy color. That is my favorite color right now, is like peach creams, all of those, just absolutely gorgeous. Hummingbirds go crazy for salvia, so add salvia to your garden if you're wanting to attract more hummingbirds. Fabulous one for that. Also, I need to take a second to just admire the amaranth because it has finally done something and turned into just gorgeousness right there. Isn't that so pretty? That is the, I believe that's the Love Lies Bleeding one, but I can't quite remember because I think they all fell. And I couldn't remember the labels on them. I think that's what happened, is that they all fell. I think. I can't quite remember. Anyways, that is going to be it for the video. We got one more plant in because it cooled down and the weather was just gorgeous. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for visiting our garden, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.